and welcome. Today we will be making crinkles. Like the other cooking video, we will be making two variations, one plain and one with a twist. So let's start. Here are the ingredients you will need. In making your chocolate crinkles, you will need 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup icing sugar or confectioner sugar. First, your cocoa powder. Then, add your brown sugar and white sugar. Mix them together. Add your melted butter and incorporate well. Add your eggs and mix in each addition. When all is incorporated together, sift in your flour and baking powder. Add in your salt and vanilla. Fold it all gently and do not overmix it. Once you get the desired consistency, put it in another bowl. Cover it with cling wrap and refrigerate for an hour. After it's chilled, get your scooper and confectioner's sugar. Scoop the mixture and put it in the confectioner's sugar. Cover it completely. And put it in your prepared pan. Bake it for 10 to 12 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. In making your red velvet crinkles, you will need 2 cups flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 1/4 cup white sugar, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 1/2 tablespoon of red food color, and 1/2 cup icing sugar. First, your white sugar. Then add your melted butter, mix them, and then you can add your eggs. Mix in each addition. When all is incorporated together, add your food color. Add in your salt and vanilla. Sift in your flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Gently fold it in your mixture. After achieving the desired consistency, place it in another bowl and cover it. Chill for an hour. After it is chilled, get your scooper and confectioner's sugar. Scoop the mixture and put it in the confectioner's sugar. Cover it completely and put it in your prepared pan. Bake it for 8 to 10 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature.